Hello and welcome back to another video on Friend's Car Repair Corner. So today going to be doing a point of view drive of myself in the Ford Mondeo. I saw a comment on one of my previous videos and I thought, yeah, I haven't done a point of view. Yeah, probably should have done like a point of view of the airbox before and after, but yeah, I thought I'd just do a video of some driving that I did over the weekend. So yeah, let's just cut to that and yeah, go from there. Okay. Let's go for a point of view drive in the Mondeo. I've got the radio off because I don't want to get done for copyright. It is a bit of a hot day, so I might have to have the window open every now and again, but I have turned it off for now. I don't know if this camera's set up correctly either, but I thought I'd give it a go. I've just dropped off the daughter at the grandparents, so thought now might be a good time to do a POV drive in the Mondeo. And to be honest, it does not feel like a large car. Like, take the corner. The Mondeos do handle really well. I have to give them that. My old Mondeo did feel a little bit more like a boat, so the Mark III, the ST TDCi. So compared to that, this is a lot firmer, stiffer, and a lot more confidence, you know, that you can go into a corner a bit faster, whereas the other car, yeah, no, I would be braking at corners. This one, yeah, I can pretty much throw it into corners. Right, so 20. I always struggle to do 20s, so hopefully if I do go over the 20, no one's going to report my video and I get done for speeding. I mean, who invented 20 mile per hour? I mean, it's just ridiculous. They're not doing 20. Maybe I could just blur out my rev counter. I know it says road ahead closed, but I've already been through here and it wasn't closed. So, in fact, while it is slow speeds, let's get the window open. As I say, it's quite hot here. Right, yeah, as you can see, I've got the X3 on my head. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what I'm trying to do for this POV kind of style thing. It's the first time I've done it, so if the video's not that great, then I apologize. I'm pretty sure every time I turn my head left, it's actually turning it right on the video, so maybe I've got to do something to mirror it. Anyways, right, I'm going to stop waffling so that, yeah, I can then just put some music over the footage. So, and if you can see the light error that I've got on the dash, that's because of my key fob. I got some crappy, rubbish JCB batteries in there. They last like 2 days and then I get the alert again. So I have got some Energizer ones on order. And if they then aren't any good, then yeah, I'll just have to bite the bullet and buy some Duracell ones, but I just think they're too expensive for batteries. 20, Jamie, 20, 20. Does anyone know any good jokes? I'll tell you my favourite one. Why is Peter Pan always flying? Give you a few seconds, think about it. Because he never lands. Do you know why that's my favourite joke? Because it never gets old. Whoosh! A double whammy. Yeah, I do like dad jokes. what you call an angry cow, moody, those kind of things. £20 mph. They're not doing 20 miles per hour. Well, I can't even do 20 miles per hour. Gosh, come on. I literally can run faster than this. What is the point? I mean, I can understand around schools, 100%, but why 20? And then very close to being my favorite road sign. Can already see it. There she is, my favorite road sign. Whee! Found ya. Back to the 20s. Oh, I'm gonna have to crack the window open again. Right, we've got some good roads coming up in a minute. Jeez, how hard did you want to brake? Indicating round a bend. Ladies. Still haven't fixed this. Lovely. Love this bit. Whee! Thank you. Right. Bit of an incline, but while we're here, should we do 0 to 60? You can do the timings for me then, okay? All right. $60. Mr. MX5. Needs a good clean, but it's a good car. I do like my Mondeo. Right, that's where we'll end it here then. Right, okay, so that is the point of view drive of the Ford Mondeo. I do have the discs or the handbrake shoes to do for the rear now. I've also got the paint to do for the rust that I've got on here as well. I've still got the spoiler that I'm going to make. So yeah, still got lots of content to still come to the channel. So if you're not subscribed, then please do hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, it's free, and it just helps me out and the channel massively. Yeah, I'll join you, or you'll join me on the next one. Bye.